Namaste student, Khushro Bhatia. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about sales and advertising promotion. In this subject, our topic is digital trends in marketing, digital trends in advertising. Let's start about digital trend in advertising. At one time, artificial intelligence, data-driven marketing, and voice search engine optimization were ambitious concept boarding on the reduced list. Today, these innovation digital marketing trends are among the top priorities for most business owners in 2021. And why would not they be? After all, if your business has any intention of remaining competitive in today's online landscape, you must adopt to rapidly evolving change in digital marketing. As Brian Solis puts it, each business is a victim of digital Darwinism, the evolution of consumer behavior. When society and technology evolve faster than the ability to exploit it, digital Darwinism does not discriminate. Every business is threatened. Make no mistake, we live in a time when technology marketing moves fast and consumer interest and behavior are hard to predict. Marketers can no longer stick their heads in the sand and hope that educated guesses and the same old method will work forever. 42 digital marketing trends for 2021. First one is artificial intelligence. If you have already realized it, the dominance of artificial intelligence is here is sure to be at the heart of global business and industry in the future, and it is already taking over many simple jobs. For example, Microsoft and Uber use Kingstop K5 robot to patrol parking lots and large outdoor areas to predict and prevent crime. The robot can read license plates, report suspicious activity, and collect data to report their owner. You can rent these R2D2 like robot for X7 an hour. Just a couple years ago, Gartner analysis predict that by 2020, technologies would be pervasive in almost every new software, product, and service. They predict that. According to TechGravits, artificial intelligence is the biggest commercial opportunity for companies, industrial, and nations over the next few decades, and will increase global GDP by up to 14% between now and 2030, which means that a later will find themselves at a serious competitive disadvantage within the next several years. One exciting example of AI practice is chatbots. Artificial intelligence will soon be driving force behind many services, and currently we already see it implemented in such areas as for basic communication, product recommendation, email personalization, e-commerce transaction, content creation. When it comes to content creation, for example, instead of guessing what subtopics to cover in an article, top content team in 2021 are relying on AI. And a trend in marketing for 2019. It took a while, but the future is here. Until very recently, machines, robots, and other non-human entities capable of thinking and acting on their own have been relegated to science fiction for more than a century. The field of artificial intelligence research came to fruition at Dartmouth College in 1956. From then until 1974, a fluorized computer became faster, more powerful and cheaper, and machines learning algorithm improved. The government agency Defense Advanced Research Project Agency got interested and funded AI research. In a 1970 Live magazine interview, Marvin Minsky predicted that from 3 to 8 years we will have a machine with the general intelligence of an average human being. Clearly that did not happen, and the biggest reason was a lack of computational power to enable AI to do anything significant. But in the second decades on the 21st century, our technological advance have grown in leaps and bounds, becoming faster and smarter. Now that big data has allowed us to collect large amount of information, artificial intelligence has been seen a major comeback, particularly in industry like technology, banking, marketing and entertainment. Now that we have got up to speed, here are AI trends we saw in marketing in 2019 are still highly relevant in 2021. In this session, our question is define trends in advertising. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In this session, any question, any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.